it's seen as leadership, you know, because that manu sits at the front and breaks the wind for the flocks. So I like to put a lot of emphasis into why I'm doing it, what it's for, what it means, what the colours mean and what I'm working on.
Yeah, every raka is different as well. This is my first time carving this. Kuriri.
Wouldn't mind working with stone and all the other mediums. But yeah, raka for now, I guess. Something to go with the theme for the exhibition.
The pieces that I'm working on at the moment sort of talk to this part of the whare, talk to karanga and things like that, and sort of questioning, you know, Kakariki Powhaitere, are you sure the leader flies at the front?
Excited because then it's like revealing what's left. Very creative, but sometimes you'll make mistakes and you'll have to kind of make it work for you.
Whaifena, yeah, she buzzed me out a little bit. She's like, I can't wait to see your mahi mauri. And then, yeah, I kind of looked back on my own life and realised that I actually really do have appreciation for rocks. Like, because we're working on stuff now, part of where we are affects us, like it's affecting us. We're literally living in this whenua, not at home or anything like that. So it's gonna play a part in the art. It just is. Like I might have not have thought of this if I wasn't parked here. So the environment, the taiao, or the places that we go, I think I'm looking forward to that as well. But I'm enjoying this place. Yeah.